Hey guys, once again it is your Vapin Minuteman here today with a review of the Drop Dead by Heathen, the Vapor Chronicles, and actually made by Hellbait. So see you in just a couple minutes. Okay, guys, once again, I am back today with a review, and I'll tell you right now, I could not put this down since I got it. I'm going to just come flat out and tell you, but you know what? Let's not waste any time. I pre recorded the up close, and I also did a build on it, which is rare. I'm going to probably start doing that. So I'll see you here right after the up close. Okay, everybody, as you see right now, we do have the up close and personal with the Drop Dead RDA. Now, as I told you guys when I first got this, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my controller so I can actually zoom in if I need to. But this right here, I did get in my vape box, and I am actually, as always, doing this before ever using it. I've watched a lot of reviews on this. I know a lot about it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing, and then that way you guys will pretty much see it. I've only had this for a couple hours. Haven't even taken it out yet because I wanted to do this first. As you see, manual. If you want to look at the manual, you can actually go look at it in one of the other channels. I'm not going to show you the manual. The manual's simple. On here, you do have 2 Drop Dead RDA stickers. And I'm probably going to stick one of these on my computer. I don't know what I'm going to do with the other one. But let me know down in the comments what you think I should do with the other one. The one's probably going on my computer. As a matter of fact, you know what? I like this logo so much, I'm going to look at it every day. It's already on my computer. So let me know in the comments what you think I should do with the other sticker. Now we have the RDA. Now this does come with a squonk pin, which I probably will set it up for squonk after I do everything. Now let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Okay, let it focus. Focus. Let me pull up the op. Let me try focus this a little better myself. Okay. As you see, the Drop Dead logo. I really like this silver etched logo in there. I really like that. And I do like the simplicity of the RDA. I have to give it that. That is very simple looking. I love this companion drip tip. I'll tell you right now, I'll probably be using that drip tip because I've already picked out my mod I'm going to use it on. I'm probably going to use it on my G-Box because I have a red G-Box, so it'll go perfectly with it. I got the matte black. Very simple. I'm going to put it on top of my alien so I can pull it off. Now, as you see, I really like how they blended the two together. Where they've used, basically, in a sense, the top cap from the Dead Rabbit, but used the posts from the drop. I really loved these posts when they were on the drop. And I love this little piece in here. Let me get something that I can point at stuff, because it'll make it much simpler. I really love this piece right here. This is a locking mechanism that when you put that top on, it'll lock for you. Flatheads, I believe it comes with Allen head screws as well, but I'll probably use the flatheads more than anything. You've got your positive and negatives. This is your positive. These are your negatives. Simple. It's also a squonking RDA. Now, let's look at what else comes in the box, and then you know what? Maybe I'll go ahead and build it real quick. In the box, you have this little purple box. Let me zoom this back out a little bit. Okay. Sorry, guys, I couldn't resist opening it up on the vape box. This is the first one I've done that on, but I might start doing that from now on so I can at least look at it in the vape box video. Now, in here, yeah, it does come with Allen heads. It also comes with a separate drip tip, 510 drip tip adapter. Right there's the squonk pin. You've got Allen heads in there. Extra O-rings. Comes with a ton of spares. Comes with your Phillips and flathead screwdriver and your Allen wrench. So it basically comes with anything you need. I mean, this right here is one of the best setups I've seen when it comes to it. Now, I'm going to do a little time lapse and actually build this. So, as soon as I'm able to grab my clippers and grab my cotton, grab my shears, and I'll actually use the flathead that comes with it. So, tell you what, enjoy the music, and I'll build this real quick. back up top. Okay, guys. Now, as you saw, I'm trying that new style. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. But now, what do I think? You know, that's what all of you guys are here for. What do I personally think of the Drop Dead RDA? I'm going to tell you right now, I loved the drop, and I loved the Dead Rabbit. I thought the flavor was a lot better on the Dead Rabbit. I liked the original posts a little better on the drop than I did the Dead Rabbit. Now, I mean, honestly, it's a very nice RDA. If you already have a drop or a Dead Rabbit, you really don't need this one. But if you liked both of them and you've been thinking of getting a second one, why not just go and get the Drop Dead? Or if you liked one but didn't like the other, why don't you go ahead and try this one out? Because the posts, the only criticism I have is the posts on this one are too close to the top of the rim. It was very hard getting in there with my snips, with my flush snips, to be able to snip these coils. Now, mind you, I've got some staple stagger fuse Claptons in here. I mean, I've got some beefy coils. Some very beefy coils. And I mean, I'm running at about 113 watts, getting a very nice vape from it, and I have to say I'm loving this. Now, it is out there for anywhere between $22 all the way up to $29. Personally, I would not go to GearBest to get it because you don't know if you're getting authentic. You know, there's always that chance you're going to get a clone. I mean, let's be honest, if you're paying $22 and it's $29, there's a chance you're getting a clone and they're going to pass it off as an authentic. But I'm going to tell you, it's a very solid RDA, and I have to give both Heathen as well as Brian, you know, Billy, Brian, both of you, you did a great job on this. I'm going to treasure this one, and don't it look sexy with this mod? I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better pairing than it has currently, because, I mean, the Dead Rabbit there, but then you've got the red and red. It's a little matchy-matchy game. Who cares? It's good. But you know what, guys? I am heading out of here. If you want to get one, I can't put any links down in the bottom anymore. It's YouTube terms of service. But you can go over there right now and get it at Vapor DNA for $29.99, Element Vape for $27.95. Those are the two sites I personally recommend to buy from. They're American sites, and you can get them in a decent amount of time. My Freedom Smokes even has it for $29.95. So, you know, all three of those are recommended sites by me to get this. So you're going to be paying about $30. Is it worth $30? Heck yes. I got this with my vape box, and I'll tell you right now, if I'm considering getting a second. If I didn't really want the Dead Rabbit RTA, I'd be buying a second Drop Dead RDA. I'll tell you that right now. But I really want the Dead Rabbit RTA. And, you know, with right now being on workers' comp, I haven't even received my first check from it yet. So I've got bills that are due and I can't pay them. But I'm hopefully going to get one before the new year. That about wraps it up, guys. As always, go out there, sign up for CASA. You know, they're not the best, but they are the best when it comes to letting you know what's happening in your state. If they don't have something, make sure to let them know so other people in your state will know about it. Also, go over, join my Vaporium. You know, I don't post over there often, but they'd love to have you, and I'm over there ever so often. And join us on NVR Live every Friday night. The crap session with Jen on Saturdays. Hopefully those are going to start soon. And then, of course, you have DIY in the Times with me and Josh Vapes, as well as Ask JJ every Wednesday night at 10 p.m. Most of our shows are at 10 p.m., except for Jen's Saturday show, which is at 10:30. There's going to be a lot of things going on, but I am heading out of here, guys. As always, you gotta fight for your right to vape. Yeah, baby. I'm out of here. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the two boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.